look at these new claws I bought by stealing Grandma's money. But I was wondering, how did I miss that so badly? I was wondering, how much more money could I find in my granny Gram house? Well, it's a pretty simple answer, actually. So, after stealing Grandma's wallet and buying these sweet new claws, I have decided that I am going to get the bouncy ball, and then I'm gonna meow 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 meow. We just pounce onto this thing, pounce. Okay. I'm a really good basketball player. See? Man, I suck at aiming. Let me show you poor little granny what my basketball skills are. If I throw this at you, you owe me all your money. Crap. Hey, did I say right there? Hey, look over there. Backflip. Got him. Gotta go. Granny, look at this. Ah, Granny! Listen, Granny. Yeah. Now, look at these claws. Look what they can do. You want a closer look? Do you want to? Oh, faked out. Now your head's in the hoop. What if I make it in? Close enough for me, Granny. Now I'll be taking my ball back. Oh my gosh! Don't make me. Kobe! Man, I really need... You need to sign me up for the NBA. But I need the money. But where can I get money? Right in the bum. She's going up the stairs. No, she's too powerful. Get off of the stairs, dude. Fine, I'll look away. Boing, 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 boing. Hit you on the ankle. Can I have my ball back? Hey, Granny. Stop glitching out the game. That's it. I'm gonna get Granny. Granny, you've glitched out all my game. That was unintentional. Backflip. Oh, bounce. Good over here. Oh, rebound. You gotta sign me up for the NBA if I hit this. I meant with my claws, Granny. My claws. Pretty sure I just hit something. My claws. And you know what I hit? It was Granny. Yeah, let me show Granny how an NBA track star really works. Hey. Yeah. Yeah, let's go. Great, now my basketball has all Granny's salty hair on it. Okay, watch this, right in the bum. Cake shot. Dude, stop napping against the door. That looks so uncomfortable. Do 360, now you're awake. Crap. Ah, my ball. I need to get to the ball. I need to get my NBA lessons, but I need to get the piggy bank up there without it killing me. I need to make a few more shots to ensure that I make it into the NBA. Ah, no! That's it. Claws, don't fail me now! Yeah. Let me scratch. Bap. Now let me go get my basketball. Oh yeah, you're done for, lady. She'll never know that I'm a bad. I meant to do that. Oh, wow, look at this vase. Kitty cat, you can break it. Thank you, Grandma. Finally. You agree with me on something. Oh, let me just move down here. Hey, look what I have, Grandma. Oh. You said I could. No! Stop it! I'm going to sleep. Ha ha. Well, huh? Wait a minute. If I did the math right, Granny using her money for my doctor thing was a great idea. And that was a dumb idea to get in that situation in the first place. But anyways, I have a plan. I have a theory, not a plan. If I just, decide to take this little guy upstairs. Be very careful. I don't want to break it. Gold claws are actually really sharp, by the way. And if I just, flip it over like this, and then I go get the other coin that I needed. Oh, look at this cozy box. Get a hold of yourself. So, Grandma needs to get out of my way. That's why I pushed her on the ground. Sorry, Grams. I'm going to take this coin. You know what this coin is going to do? It's going to get me up the money to go to the MVA. It's not just one coin. Oh, I'll show you. Come and get me, Grandma. You can't come up here. Now, you see, I'm pretty sure if I just do actually like this, just, you're not supposed to roll, you're supposed to go in. Dude, what's the point of having a coin if it doesn't go? You know what? Didn't it break? Okay. Let me show you what you want to do. Let me show you an ultimate life hack, how to steal from your Grams. You see, your first step is to get what I just did. Your second step, get the crock pot from her kitchen. Why? Well, that will be important later. Next step, fill it up with your favorite tweets. Oh wait, I need to get off the crock pot top off. Okay, now if I grab this, should just put all right into here. Guessing that is all. Yep. Just toss it down there. Then now, if I get another box of this bad boy, then I can just dump out this. And make sure it's tasty first. Yummy. Then, you want to get as many cat tweets as possible before you shut the lid. So, my personal favorite. Oh wait. Oh yeah. You might want to put your thing down here, by the way, because it's gonna be pretty hard to get your dog bowl all the way across the room. I'll just bring it over here. Let me just grab this. Okay, let's just one at a time. Here. Colby. Oh, I forgot. I can't eat it. Grab it with my mouth. And that is perfect. I'll make sure you smash it all up. Okay. Your next step is to somehow get it back up there. But for this step, you're going to probably need a lid. Okay, I got this. 3, 2, 1. Ah! Crap. Maybe don't bring it over there. Oh, your actual next step is to put this under some really, really hot, soggy water to make all your foods really, really soggy. Oh, whoa. You're gonna go in. Okay, let's go. Now I want you to wet your paws, because of course most people have paws. Now let's come on this hand, wash our hands. Now I want you to squish all of this. Then, your next step, put your lid back on. Bring this over to Grandma. And then tell her that she's the best grandma ever. And then your final step, make her eat your soggy, wet cat food. Now she's gonna think it's an offer, and you're gonna stare at her until she eats it. So, for an example, one thing of this stuff knocked me out for 5 days, but the entire quantity is gonna be too much. So you're gonna have to shove it in your mouth. Oh no, sorry. It tastes disgusting. Okay, let's get the one from my cat bowl. 3, 2, 1. Hi. Oh. 3, 2, 1. Yeah. See, it knocks it out. And that is how you knock out Granny. But why do we need to knock out Granny? Well, cause she's gonna find out eventually that we stole all her money. So let's go before she realizes that we stole all of her money. Okay. Now, how are you supposed to get this? It's not breaking. Maybe if I... Yeah. Miss. Come on, I only have 2 more shots. Miss. And his name is Kobe Bryant. There's only one reasonable way I can do this. And it's a little extreme. Granny! And it's the way to knock Granny out for good. Hey, Granny, I have something to tell you. You didn't see anything! Oh, no! No, my money. No, I'm not giving up yet. My center, that should give me enough money. And for you, Grandma, you break my dreams. Time to go live mine. Oh yeah, baby. If she comes for me, tell my story. Granny is impossible to beat, unless you're me. Now, for the best chance of winning, you're going to want to do all my steps again if this happens to you. Because then... Oh, wait, hold on. Whoops. Okay, no. Distract her. Oh. No. No, I'm sorry! Grandma! Wait a minute, listen. Hey! You hit my fin? You will die. Yeah, we're definitely gonna end the video off here. Bye, guys.